Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So there's no crazy intro today. We're just gonna jump right in. So today I am decluttering my makeup collection. So I'm just kind of taking everything out from under my sink because that is where I keep all of my day-to-day makeup and some other bathroom supplies too, including these tampons, which I don't need anymore. And I don't even know why I have them anymore because I've been using the Diva Cup for like months now, like maybe 4 or 5 months. And I actually made a review on my experience with the Diva Cup. If you missed that, it is a reusable period cup and I am obsessed. Dan and I were just talking recently about how he hasn't had to buy me tampons in forever, and it's really refreshing. So I started off, just like you start off every cleaning venture, by pulling out all of my things from under my sink. So I just took everything out so that I could wipe it down clean and really get a good idea of what I had. And of course, once I started doing that, the pups had to come and explore what I was doing. They literally just like traipsed in and stomped over all my stuff. So this is kind of my pile. It's in some ways overwhelming. I have so much stuff under there. And then in other ways, I think I maybe have a surprisingly low amount of stuff for being a YouTuber, but I am really careful about what I bring into my bathroom versus what stays in like my product room. I give away a lot of stuff. I donate a lot of stuff. I guess it just kind of depends on your perspective, whether you think I have a lot of stuff in there or not. Zoe then just kind of stood nearby and I just thought she was cute, so I got a shot. So then I pulled everything out of my acrylic drawers. I have had these for a couple of years now. It's my favorite way to store makeup. I like putting things into different categories and being able to see it all. So I pulled everything out. Clearly I had an abundance of like eye pencils and mascara and glitter and all kinds of stuff. Whoa, this lip drawer. Guys, I feel like I've been pretty picky about what lip items make their way into my acrylic drawers, and still I have an insane amount of lip products. I used my Thieves cleaner on my acrylic drawers, and I've used cleaners on acrylic drawers before, and I'm not just saying this, I've never been satisfied with the way that they cleaned or the film that they left on my drawers, or maybe it like ate at the material, and this worked amazing. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it, and I gave it a go, and I couldn't believe how well it worked. So once I wiped down all of my drawers, I thought I would show you some of my products, and I'm actually going to be giving away a few things from my drawers that I pulled in and never end up using, including this Naked Heat palette. So I'm not sure what's going to be given away, but I thought I would show you guys some of the things. So check the info box for the giveaway in this video, and be sure to always check my info box in general, because I not only link as many of the things that I can find that I think you guys are going to ask about, but I also tend to do like these semi-secret, not so secret giveaways. So also I had a bunch of mini perfumes that I'm really on the fence about because I mostly just wear essential oils and vanilla perfume now, but this Beach Smell by Bobbi Brown is amazing. I do really like Flower Bomb by Viktor and Rolf and Honey by Marc Jacobs. So I'm trying to decide what to do. I may end up keeping them. Sometimes I like perfume, but I don't know if I'm being unrealistic. I really do wear essential oils so often. And then this Kat Von D palette, I actually forgot I had, and I know I'm keeping that. I also found this perfume that I am debating keeping. It's by Fresh. It's called Rose Morning, and just like it sounds, it's a rose, fresh smelling scent. And I thought I would show you this palette from Savvy Minerals that I'm also keeping. I'm obsessed with it. I wear it pretty much anytime I want a smoky eye recently. And I found this palette and I decided to keep the original Naked palette because I love the half-baked gold color in the center. And both of these blushes I am going to be giving away. I have a blush palette from Tarte that I love right now, so I'm going to be giving both of those away. And I'm going to be keeping this Tarte palette I found. I forgot that I had it. I love Tarte shadows, as well as this palette. I think it's called like Nubian Princess. I'm pretty sure these eyeshadows are more like natural ingredients, and I thought the colors were beautiful. So while I was going, I was making sure to do swatches of the products, so I wasn't just guessing like visually. So I just swatched things as I went and, you know, decided what to keep, what to get rid of. I feel like my explanation is kind of basic bae, like this is what you do, but it was already giving me so much satisfaction to see how much more minimal my drawers had become already. Oh, and I found these Tatcha oil absorbing sheets that I'm probably gonna end up moving into my makeup bag that I carry around with me. And I am keeping this Johnson's baby shampoo for all of my makeup brushes, which, by the way, I decided to declutter that too. I have slowly pared down my makeup brushes over the years. I don't have a ton, but I decided today to pare down those brushes even more and only keep the ones that I use consistently. Whoop. Dropping stuff. So at this point, I went through my face makeup bag. So I actually keep all of my foundation, bronzer, concealer, blush, all of that in its own bag, this little camouflage bag I have. And I went through and just kind of decided what to keep, what not to keep. I have been liking this red correction primer, by the way, lately. Since I got my laser done, my skin is still pretty pink, and so this has been helpful on certain days. And side note, I've really been enjoying this Fenty foundation lately, so much so that I got it in 2 colors to mix. This is that blush palette I was talking about, by the way. It also has highlighters in it, but I have been obsessed again lately with my Mary Luminizer from The Balm. It's kind of a throwback product, but I love it, and I've loved it for years. And lately I've actually been wearing it again as eyeshadow when I don't feel like putting on any eyeshadow. I'll just take my finger and run it across my eyelids, and I think it's really beautiful, and it kind of brightens my eyes and gives that nice little shimmer that I like. I do have 3 different Tarte concealers, which might be a little excessive, but I decided to keep them all because 2 of them were different colors and I just couldn't decide. So maybe that's the opposite of what you're supposed to do in a decluttering, but I still got rid of so much stuff, guys. So once I went through everything, I put everything back under my shelf, and now this is what I am left with. And guys, I realize I still have a lot of stuff under here, but legitimately everything feels so much more organized and less chaotic. And the items that I'm left with are things that I'm really going to use, at least I think. I still have a hefty amount of lip products, but I'm comfortable with the amount that I have left. It feels so good to have this whole space organized now. I've loved living with the reality of having a clean, organized, decluttered makeup under the counter area. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you missed my last video, I uploaded my winter night routine. So many of you guys seem to really like that video. I had, per the usual, a lot of fun filming it and putting it together for you guys. So I will see you back here hopefully very soon with another new video. I keep mentioning this, but I have so many videos that I have been making and have ideas for, and yeah, so I'll see you soon. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and whatever you're going through, just keep swimming, and I'm giving you a hug through the computer or the phone, depending. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.